Hello, and welcome to Math 143, Quantitative Literacy. My name is Amanda Davis. I'll be your instructor for the semester. I wanted to take a few minutes and just walk through where you'll find everything that you need for the course. You'll want to click on Start here, and there you'll find my introduction, all the information you need to get in touch with me. A course entry assignment, which needs to be completed by June 1st. Your syllabus is here, and once you've completed those three things, you'll go to coursework. Under coursework, we've created this course so that you do not have to pay for any textbooks or materials out of pocket. So everything you need will be listed here under each unit. If you click on Unit 1, you'll see our first section is 1.1. If you click there, for each section you'll find a reading, a video, sometimes several videos, an assignment, and a lab. So that's basically what you're going to find in each section. And over here I've created a checklist. This I'm still in the process of creating, but by hopefully the very beginning of the semester, I will have this checklist all ready with every due date you need for all of the assignments and labs. So feel free to reach out to me if you have trouble finding anything or you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.